Hello, grade 12s. We are now going on to example 3. I'm just going to read it out to you. It says A, B, C are 3 points in the same horizontal plane, so they're on the flat surface. It goes on to say that RBCS is a vertical plane on BC. So from this flat surface, you've got something that's coming up like this. It says that SC is A, and then theta is the angle of elevation of S from B. So it's an angle from a flat surface going up. BAC is alpha and ACB is beta. We need to show that AC is equal to A sine alpha plus beta over sine alpha tan theta. So again, I've broken it down into two-dimensional shapes. I'm not interested in any other shape there because it doesn't have the information that we need. So we need this AC side over here. If I have a look, I don't have enough information here because I need an A and I need a theta, and that A and theta is in this other triangle. So the link between these two triangles is this BC side. Now, once I've got this BC, then I can work out this over here. So let's have a look at this triangle over here. Because it's a 90-degree triangle, we can use our trig ratios. We've got our given angle. We know that side. We want this side. So that's an opposite and adjacent pair, which is going to be tan. So we know that tan theta will be equal to SC over BC. To get the BC on its own, we just multiply up and divide down by the tan. We know what SC is, it's A. And if you have a look in what we need to prove, we've got the A at the top and the tan theta at the bottom. That's what we've got there. So linking that information over here, we know that this is going to be A over tan theta from here. Now, looking at this triangle over here, we have an angle and its opposite side. We want this side, so we need this opposite angle. And in order to work out this angle over here, we know that's alpha, we know that's beta, we can just use angles in a triangle. So I know that B will be equal to 180 minus alpha plus beta. And our reason is angles in a triangle. So now that I have this angle over here, this is side little a, side little b, and side little c. I can use the sine rule. So little b over sine b will be equal to little a over sine a. Just to get the little b on its own, I'm just going to multiply up by the sine b. Let's start filling in all this information. Little b is AC. Little a is this A over tan theta. Multiplied by sine. B is this 180 minus alpha plus beta. This is all over sine A is alpha. So what we can do now is 180 minus is in the second quadrant. And we know that sine in the second quadrant is positive. So this reduces to sine alpha plus beta. Now, this A, this is going to be A sine alpha plus beta, and because we're dividing, that's going to go to the bottom, and we will get sine alpha tan theta. And that is what they wanted us to prove. Grade 12s, I would like you to do exercise 6.4, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, please. Thank you.